Bonjour. Once you have all your figures for the next year, you need to format them to present them to the owner. Here is an example of the presentation. Executive summary current year. In this part, you will detail everything that may have influenced your result this year. For example, the visit of a head of state who generate a lot of incomes for you, but which will not be repeated next year. Or a significant valuation of the local currency versus the dollar which affect your result. Another part, Outlook current year segmentation. In this part, you will also give your actual result up to the month in which you present your budget and your forecast for the following ones until the end of the year. Financial Outlook current year. In this part, you will give your actual result up to the month you present your budget and your forecast for the following ones until the end of the year. Be careful. Your forecast must be realistic, otherwise your owner will challenge you and in this case can seriously disrupt your presentation. For example, do not make a very low forecast for the last 3 months of the year by telling yourself that this will allow you to make a lower budget for next year. Your forecast must be, as we saw it, more or less 5% of reality. The next point of the presentation of the budget, I will go into more detail in the next videos. This includes executive summary next year, with the SWOT, I will detail it in the next video. Competition outlook, I will also detail it in a future video. Segmentation outlook next year, as we have seen, we will present and explain our strategy for each segment with the ADR and occupancy rate for next year. Financial outlook next year. Following the presentation of the segmentation, we will therefore give the top lines and present all the P&L. Financial outlook per department, we will present this in part in the detailed P&L of each department, profitable and non-profitable. Flow-through summary, hotel scorecard, occupancy expenses, CAPEX, cash flow projection, 5 years performance. In the next video, we will see the presentation of the executive summary next year.